testing this for my great friend from beautiful state of Nevada. So the problem was with this tape player is rubbers and they always get melted. So basically we do it was basically unused, extremely nice condition. Just the tape player is not working. As you can see, it's all nice and shiny. So we use a couple of those rubber tapes, but I use a good quality tapes, they last longer. The red, anyway, I find the appropriate one. The radio is working very well. I want to show that. I have not installed the button yet after repair, and we're going to search for the AM channel. My best channel is AM-860. Very clean. This is FM.
More. Not sure what to buy? How about a gift card?
I just love the way this old radios works. Okay, as you can see, everything is lubricate, and let's get this tape popped in, and we're going to forward it back, rewind this back. So rewind wasn't working, now it is works, and we're going to check the forward and works as well. And I think it's a Barbara Streisand's going to be sound right now. I hope we don't have copyright effect. Usually I rewind that back and have a little bit of only music, otherwise YouTube will going to be copyright, I think. Excellent, work like a charm. I'm glad that the person from Nevada will enjoy this player. I don't know his name, but I bet he's gonna like it. Thanks so much for watching the video.